So hi guys, we're here with the senior Reggae Girls manager. Firstly, I want to say congratulations for the Reggae Girls progress throughout the World Cup, and we do look forward to seeing them progress even further from here. But what was your thoughts on the game tonight?
Well, I mean, ball position, we were really good at it. It was just for the males to maximize in terms of position and creating more goal opportunity and executing. But I think it was fairly a good game for them, and I'm really happy for Demarai, with on home soil for the first time and executing, giving us that one victory. Amazing.
All right, so who was your standout player?
Demarai was from start to finish. He was definitely the man of the match for me.
All right, so is there anything that you would like to say to the fans that may have been a bit tentative about coming in today?
Well, I must say this is a perfect display in terms of the vibes. The atmosphere was really good with the bands. The males came out and did what they were supposed to do, in order for supporters to come out on Tuesday. And not only that, but these men have set the platform. So this is the red carpet for the senior Reggae Girls, which will be coming in the National Stadium right after that prolific performance at the FIFA Women's World Cup. So what I would want spectators to do is to come out on Tuesday and to come out on the 22nd to support the senior Reggae Girls, because this is senior Reggae Boyz is laying the red carpet for us on the 22nd.
All right, so I don't want to take up much more of your time, and I do appreciate you taking the time to speak with us. All right, thanks much.
Please to edit.